What is going on, folks? So I got me a Christmas present, early Christmas present for myself. Today I got me a Divoom time gate. Now I've been seeing this thing a lot on a bunch of people's desk setup. You know, when they have a RGB desk setup like over here, they usually have one of these right here that shows off like how cool their desks are. Divoom reached out to me and they asked if I want to try this out, and I say, heck yeah, I want to try it out. It looks so cool. So anyway, today we're gonna unbox this thing. Let's take a look at it. Look at this. Okay, so first off, let me just take a step back. I want to show you how cool the way they wrap these things are. Look at this. I mean, this is like protection bubble right here in the brown box, okay? And then it comes in a little bag like this, which is like, hey, it doesn't say, if this thing doesn't say a gift to you, I don't know what it's say. And guys, all the Divoom products comes with a bag like this. Very cool. Anyhow, now the packaging. Look, check out this thing. It's like a time capsule box. Isn't that cool? Anyway, if you're stuck like trying to figure out what to get for someone as a gift, this is probably one of those items that you need to consider right here. Wow, man, they designed this thing really nice. I'm just so amazed. That is so cool. Look at this. It had these little feet on here. Instruction booklet. The Divoom cord that is braided. And that's it, guys. Yeah, that's all the box. You don't even need the box, to be honest with you, but it looks so cool. I may display it somewhere around here. Okay, so first off, up here, there are some controllers, mode lights, and things like that. The feet here, is it movable? I don't think the feet is movable. Yeah, I wouldn't try to move it because I might break it. You never know. Bottom right here, it says Divoom. This is plastic, by the way. It's not glass. So up here, it looks like hard plastic, but it's not. It's actually rubber. Nice and smooth rubber. I'm really impressed with some of the design that's on here. Look at this. How beautiful that is. So there's a QR code that they want you to download so that you can get the app and stuff like that, so you can set this thing up. All right, folks, so I spent about 30 minutes setting everything up, configure everything, logging into all of my social media account here, and as you can see right now, it's displaying real time my count, the weather, and also my Overwatch stats. How much I win, how much I lost, everything on here. Pretty amazing stuff. Yeah, it talks straight to whatever services that you have out there. Pretty cool stuff right here. I've never seen it done like this before. But yeah, all these are real-time live stats. That is pretty crazy. Yeah, anyway, pretty cool product. I need to play with it a little bit more, but so far, so good. If you got a desk setup, Timegate by Divoom.